Hi folks, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add your Threads application or Threads profile link on your bio. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add the Threads on to the Instagram bio. So for an example, now the updation of the Threads on Instagram will be on the top. You can see the Threads symbol goes on the top above the followers and post thing. You can see the Threads symbol on the top. Just click this, you can visit your Threads application. So instead of that, you just need to, in the bio, you just need to click on first of all click on the Threads profile, click on the share profile, and just copy the Threads profile link. If you don't have copy link option, just keep notes. You can just copy it from there. And now go to the profile, click on the edit profile option, and here you just need to click on the link. Just click this link. Now the updation of the Instagram allows you to add more links on your Instagram bio. So just click on the add external link and type as Threads here. Title down, type as Threads, and in URL you just paste the Threads link and click OK. Now you can see there is a two link. One thing is my YouTube link, another one is the Threads link. So now click OK, and now it will be updated here. So while clicking on the link, it shows two things. So one is the Thread link and second one is the YouTube link. If you need to have this Thread link on the first position, you just need to change. You just want to delete the YouTube link and just add the YouTube link again. It will be on the first position. Now you just click the Threads. It's directly go to the Threads app. So this is how you just add the Threads profile link on the Instagram bio. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.